So, this is a tour of our room at Hilton Gardens Inn, New York, Times Square, South. All right, so we're gonna start off with the bathroom. Sink. Now the room is not that big, but nice little sink. Of course, your toilet. I like the sliding glass doors on the bathroom shower. Nice. Okay. You have a full-size mirror. All right, here's your desk. It's just one long table, but you have some little baskets here for storage. You want to unpack your clothing here. And they said they had a refrigerator and a microwave. They do. Here's your refrigerator. Uh-oh. Can I open it? Yeah. There's your refrigerator. And your microwave is over here, next to it. Your nice television setup. You got your Keurig set up here. And your water stuff. This is your closet. Yeah. You have a luggage rack in here. We can rotate that out, I guess, and sit the luggage on it. Good thing we only brought one suitcase. And our window outside. And the bed. So, this is New York City. It's an older building, I guess. So
No,
it's not an older building.
It was built in 2020 or 2000.
Maybe it was renovated in 2000. We'll see. All right, that's it.